Hello guys, good afternoon. So ngayon guys, ang ating tutorial ay saan makikita ang profile recommendation sa Facebook. So ngayon guys, punta na tayo sa ating Facebook. Ito, open natin. Click lang natin to guys. Itong my profile natin banda sa kaliwa sa taas. Then click natin to guys, itong see dashboard. Scroll lang natin pababa guys. Then click natin itong see more. Ayan. So nandito sa taas guys. Ayan. Nandito na siya sa taas kasi na-click ko na kanina. Nasa baba siya kanina guys. So ayan, itong aking profile is recommended naman ni Facebook. Igdalino Nelson Dakotanan profile recommendation. Recommendable. We're helping to grow your audience because profiles like yours bring people together. Your profile is now in lists where we suggest profiles to new people. Learn how recommendations work. Content is recommendable. Starting healthy conversations and sharing unique content means we're showing your profile to new people. Ayan guys, so dapat yung mga content natin is unique. Tayo mismo ang gumagawa. Then profile has no violations. Good job, your profile keeps content safe for everyone. Thanks. So yun lang guys. So ganun lang siya kadali makita ang ating profile recommendation. I hope nga may dakamon ay baruan. Ayan, i-back lang natin guys. So dito na siya sa taas. So pag di niya makita sa taas guys, nandito lang siya sa baba. Sa may see more. See list. See more. Ayan. So yun lang guys. Thank you. And God bless.